Hi there friend, in this tutorial I am going to show you delete multiple apps at once on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the Google Play Store application and make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, look at the top menu bar. Here you can find your profile icon. Click to open them. After that, scroll down a little, look for the Manage Apps and Device option, tap to open it. At the very top here you can find the Manage option. Tap on them and make sure this option is selected, this device option. Here you can see all of the install or pre-install app listed there. Now simply select the multiple apps if you want to delete. For example, I am choose Meta AI, Microsoft Copilot, Timo, Trusted Crypto. For example, these 4 apps I want to delete at one time. So after you select the exact app, if you want to no longer you need to your phone, then hit the delete icon at the top menu bar. After that, confirm by tapping uninstall. And that's it, how you can easily delete multiple apps at one time on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Goodbye.